No way! Dude, this is my dream car. I'll show you all the specs. So it's a Roll 15. It's got 2 massive wheels. Also, for some odd reason, there's 2 steering wheels. The steering wheel with a steering wheel on it. Just in case you need 2 steering wheels. I'll have a look at this massive tire. I'm going to close up on this. Jump. Right, now I'm going to rate it. I'm going to rate it 1 to 10. Honestly, this goes fire. My 2 steering wheels just in case I need one. Okay guys, today I'll be rating the bush. It's a pretty nice bush, honestly. Looks really good, to be honest. Like, I'll do one more test to see how good it really is. The durability of it, okay? Okay, just this little test.